Hey guys, I'm bunning it right now. Yesterday was actually wash day, but I got kind of lazy. I'm like, I don't feel like washing my hair. Instead, I just detangled it. I did 2 braids going back, and then this morning my cousin actually sent me a video. She is like, oh, you should do your hair like this, and it was a perm rod set, and I'm like, girl, it never works on my hair because my hair never dries thoroughly. So I figured today, since my hair is pretty much combed out decently, not thoroughly, but decently combed out, I figured I'd go ahead and try a rod set but on dry hair, and just adding a little bit of product and seeing how things go with that. So today I am going to be doing that with you guys. Let me grab my rods. These are my rollers, and I guess I'm just, you know what, like it's not like this is a tutorial or anything. I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing just in case it turns out good. I would hate to do it and it turns out good and say, oh, I wish I had a video on it to show you guys. So I'm not gonna talk, I'm just going to do my hair and let you guys witness whatever the outcome may be. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and if you really like me or really want to see my content, I hope you do, girl, then make sure you hit that bell, because YouTube doesn't send you every single video, they just send you a couple. I'm gonna take my earrings off. If you're wondering about these chunky lightweight hoops, they're in my shop. I'll leave a link to them in the description. Take my rings off too. And then the product that I'm going to be using today is Bella Curls. I recently did a 2-strand twist out using Bella Curls, and it was my first time. I believe it was my first time. Anyways, that twist out turned out bomb. So I have high hopes for my hair today. See? My hair is pretty stretched. I wore a twist out, I stretched it for maybe 3 days, and then I did the 2 braids yesterday. So it's stretched pretty good. Three sections on each side. I think this is like a decent size section. Hey, what's it gonna be? More than friends. K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V. Now I know my ABC. Sing with me, yeah. R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-Z. This time won't you sing with me? Alright guys, welcome back. It has been 2 days. That's right, I slept with these rolls in my head for 2 nights, and that's because I wanted to really make sure that this is going to be looking right. We're going to get started taking No, I'm so nervous. Okay, this is the first time in life. My son's playing with his truck. This is the first time this has worked for me. Whoa! Papa, you can't be flashing me. Should I separate? I'm gonna go ahead and separate right now. Alright guys, so that's it. I just finished zhuzhing. I didn't do too much zhuzhing, too much picking with the comb, and I just focused on my roots, so I didn't of course lose my curls, but I'm really pleased with the way that it turned out. From here on out, I will only do my rod sets on dry hair and using just a little bit of product. With the size of these rods, because my hair is obviously having to be layered over these, like layers and layers of hair, it would take forever for my hair to dry, even if I were to use like a hooded dryer or something of that nature. But I personally like to stay away from heat, so the way to go for me is definitely dry rod sets and using minimal product, because I am one of those heavy-handed folk. I tend to use a lot of product, more than what I need, so definitely go light. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this style, and am I the only one that's late to the party of doing these roller sets dry? Am I late? I might be late, but hey, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you nothing but peace.